What is good, guys? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are doing an unboxing of the Refy product, or I just got the brow collection. This was the brand's name, kind of known for, and I also got the primer just because I love the roll that comes with the primer. So I added that to the box, and we're here to do an unboxing and do like an everyday makeup with it. Let's go. First one is the primer. Really cute. Love the feel. The vegan, is cruelty free. All their products are. A Refy face primer with niacinamide hydrating primer serum with face roller that sculpts your face and leaves a healthy glow. So I mainly got it because of the roller. It's quite expensive, but the packaging is such a vibe. Like, I'm in love with it. Look at that. So it's skincare, makeup, prep, hybrid product that instantly sculpts your face to give it definition. The lightweight non-stick formula will leave the skin looking healthy, hydrated with radiant finish. It has no pigment, making it suitable for all skin tones and skin types. So the skin beneficial formula with glycerin helps to moisten the skin with niacinamide, which helps to reduce appearance of redness and blemishes. So that's the benefit of having a niacinamide, like redness and blemishes. It does the job. So just kind of press it like this. Oh my god. Okay. Kind of bubbly. Just shake it. Oh my god. I'm here for it. Like, look at the glow. It's giving us kind of like a radiant, natural kind of glow. So, love it. So the next is the brow collection. If I had to give up every other makeup and just pick one, I would kind of live without. It's gonna be eyebrows. Whenever I do my brows, I'm happy. Like, I'm happy to go with my day. So we have the brow sculpt, we have the brow pomade, and we have the brow pencil. So this is the brow pencil. Like, I'm obsessed. It's so thin. Like, the brush side and the actual pencil. The pencil side is very thin. So it is easy application. The brows. So I'm here for the mechanics of this. Introducing the brow collection, including the brow sculpt, the brow pomade, the brow pencil. The product allows you to sculpt, shade, define your brows. Follow our 3.0 safe process to create a very natural look or exaggerated fuller creation. So I don't think I would exaggerate the brows. I'm more like keep it, looking like natural brows. So each product is versatile to be used in a way that suits you. The collection is available in a light, a medium, and dark. I got a dark. And dark is not like black, it's like really dark brown, which is what I usually go for whenever I'm doing my brows. So all products are long lasting and smooth proof. So each product is double ended and comes with individual brushes and applications to ease and precision when applying. Oh, I did not know this. The brow sculpt. Oh, I don't think I have that. Oh, okay. So you're supposed to do this. Oh, I did not know. I did not know this. So it comes with a brush. So that's your remove. So I guess this, that, and close that, and just pull. So let's get started with defining our brows, updating the brows for once.
How to apply the Refy brow collection. First we start with the brow sculpt, the wax. Then after we use the comb to kind of create the shape of brows that we want. Then after we use the brush side to just brush out the excess wax. Next we use the pomade. So this is just to add more depth to the brows. Next will be the brow pencil. So it's very thin, so it's easy to kind of draw in the extra hairs. So I really love this specifically. So now just using the brush to kind of brush it out. Then I usually use like the remaining kind of foundation on my sponge just to apply a more natural look. And that is the look achieved.